factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how KFC chicken is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Inside the KFC factory, everything begins with fresh chicken and carefully selected ingredients arriving every day. KFC experts carefully inspect every piece to ensure only premium quality chicken moves forward. These are the famous KFC seasonings, delivered under strict conditions to protect their signature flavor.
Next, the chicken is sorted into perfect cuts, preparing it for the legendary KFC recipe. KFC maintains controlled cold temperatures to keep the chicken fresh and safe at every stage. Every spice blend in KFC is measured precisely, ensuring the same taste in every bite worldwide.
The flour coating is prepared in massive mixers, forming the base of KFC's signature crunch.
Hygiene is a top priority in KFC production, with strict safety procedures followed at all times. Advanced KFC machines now activate, bringing speed, precision, and consistency to the process. With ingredients prepared and inspected, KFC is ready to move into the next production stage.
Now the KFC seasoning mix is blended in powerful industrial mixers to create the perfect coating.
This precise KFC spice blend is what gives the chicken its world-famous flavor.
Each ingredient is added carefully, ensuring the KFC recipe stays consistent every single time.
Inside the KFC Control Center, experts monitor every detail to maintain perfect quality standards.
Technology helps KFC maintain precision, balancing every batch with absolute accuracy.
At the same time, KFC prepares its batter mixture to lock in moisture and flavor. Once prepared, the chicken moves smoothly through the KFC production line toward the next stage.
Here, the chicken receives its signature KFC coating, creating that famous crispy texture.
This is the heart of KFC processing, where automation and tradition work side by side.
With mixing complete, KFC chicken is now ready to enter the most exciting stage: low, transformation, and frying. Now the KFC chicken begins its transformation, as every piece is coated evenly with seasoned flour.
This is where the magic happens. KFC chicken is fried at the perfect temperature for maximum crispiness.
The frying process gives KFC chicken its iconic golden crunch and irresistible aroma.
Advanced robotics help KFC maintain consistent cooking and perfect timing in every batch.
KFC experts monitor every second to ensure the chicken is cooked safely and evenly.
As the chicken rises, the signature KFC crunch is fully created.
The KFC frying zone is a high-energy environment designed for speed, precision, and flavor.
Each bite of KFC chicken is defined by this perfectly textured, crispy coating.
Automation allows KFC to produce large volumes while maintaining the same legendary quality. Once fried to perfection, KFC chicken is now ready for the final steps: packaging and delivery.
After frying, the KFC chicken is transported immediately to the packaging zone to preserve freshness. Each KFC bucket is filled with precision, ensuring the perfect portion every time.
The packaging process at KFC is designed for speed, safety, and consistency.
Every KFC product is labeled clearly, ready for customers around the world. workers and robots collaborate to keep the KFC assembly line running flawlessly.
This is the KFC Packaging Center, where efficiency meets world-class food production.
Secure wrapping ensures KFC chicken stays fresh from the factory to the restaurant. These iconic KFC buckets are now ready for final inspection before distribution.
Once packed, KFC products are organized carefully for fast delivery nationwide. With packaging complete, KFC chicken is now prepared for the final stage, UNDRID, quality checks, and distribution. Before leaving the facility, every KFC product goes through a strict quality inspection.
KFC ensures each package is perfectly sealed and ready for safe delivery. Every KFC bucket is weighed and verified to guarantee the correct serving size.
KFC food scientists test batches regularly to maintain the highest flavor and safety standards.
Once approved, KFC chicken is prepared for fast distribution to restaurants everywhere. KFC products are loaded carefully into temperature-controlled trucks to preserve freshness. Now the KFC chicken begins its journey from factory to your local restaurant. Every day, KFC delivers thousands of meals across the country with speed and care.
This is the scale of modern KFC production. Efficient, advanced, and world-class. And that's how KFC chicken is made today. From raw ingredients to delivery, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
And that's how KFC chicken is made, from start to finish. Fresh ingredients, legendary spices.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.